This morning, it's absolutely gorgeous up here.
Oh, this is a big one.
Our owls are busy in the backyard last night, and then the eagles were sitting in the tree over on the right this morning. It's very good. Okay. Talk to you soon. Wait.
Why, good morning, Terry.
Good morning.
A couple people tonight.
What's her? Oh, she's got it on the video, too. Okay, I'm getting undressed. I'm putting my shorts on.
When you're on tribal journey.
Well, good morning.
Good morning.
Something about shorts.
He's getting naked.
We got tickets. Oh,
We got tickets.
No, he has to pay us to watch.
Say good morning, Ernie.
Good morning, honey.
You coming? You want to ride with me?
Yeah, if I can get them to, because Linda said she'd stay because they didn't want to wake up, but you were the one that was all kicking and screaming.